Snow goes right on the mountain tonight. Not a footprint to be seen. The kingdom of isolation, and it looks like I'm a queen. The wind is howling like this soaring storm inside. Couldn't keep it in, heaven knows I tried. Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be. Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know. Well, now they know. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn away and slam the door. I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storm rage on. Cold never bothered me anyway. It's funny how some distance makes everything seem small. And the fears that once control me can't get to me at all. It's time to see what I can do to touch the limits and break through. No right, no wrong, no words for me. I'm free. Let it go, let it go. I'm one with the wind and storm. Let it go, let it go. You'll never see me cry. Here I stand, here I stay. Let the storm rage on. You always do it to me. My power glories through the air into the ground. My soul is spiraling in frozen fractals all around. And one thought crystallizes like an icy blast. I'm never going back. Your past is in the past. Let it go, let it go. And I'll rise like the break of dawn. Let it go, let it go.